What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here, Mario and Graham. At ito yung PBA semifinals preview. But first of all, bago natin simulan, we now have a Facebook page. Yay! Uy, cheer kayo.
Yes.
Yay! So
Yes.
makita nyo
Yes,
dito yung parang
sir.
screenshot of the
Absolutely.
Facebook page, Six Man Pod
Yeah.
dash Bench Mob. Yan yung ano natin, Facebook
Woo!
page. Oh, yan na yung
Mm.
ganun, may emoji.
Yeah.
Pati yung Zoom may piyesta. Anyway, but yeah, and yung community natin finally have a Facebook page. We can have discussions here. Dito natin malalabas yung mga false prophecy count ni Grim, and a lot more things. So it's open to the community. My rules and regulations there, as always. Keep it light and fun.
Mhm.
Nandun lahat
Don't
ng
call me
rules. I set
bald
the rule.
and you're gonna stay.
Oh, that's rule number one. You have to call Graham Bold. But
Right.
yeah, just wanna announce that one. So yeah, sali kayo. I think we have 140 na as of right now. Hopefully, we can get 1K by Feb. By
What kind of
Feb.
rule
Okay
was you
na.
have to call Graham Ball to stay?
Kalma si Graham. That means you read the rules.
I, I sure as hell didn't read them because
That's it. I did read the rules and there it wasn't there, but you do you, man.
Eh man, if you read it thoroughly, joke lang, wala naman talaga. But yeah, pag-usapan natin yung PBA semifinals preview. This is a battle between Meralco up against TNT and then Ginebra up against the SMB Beermen semifinals preview. Let's first start with Meralco and TNT. The games all begin on Sunday, January 4. First game yung Meralco TNT, and I'll be do we share my screen? Kasi okay na, pag-usapan na natin. Ganito, I'll share my screen na kapag ano na. We're gonna show some rosters. But yeah, nasan kayo when it comes to Meralco and TNT? It's a battle of sister teams, no, ulit. Pero always interesting naman lagi ang Meralco TNT. Same for SMB and Ginebra.
Yeah, dude, but let's be as completely honest. As TNT looks unstoppable right now. Ginawa nilang ulam yung Magnolia. And although Magnolia
Is
made a
that hard to
comeback
do?
sa
Is
end,
that hard to do?
it is hard to do, Graham. It is in fact hard to do, but I know you're not gonna say it. But it is hard to make Magnolia look like absolute ass 2 games in a row.
Mm-mm.
Uh, but man,
Well, they only
TNT
need
is
one
look.
game lang naman, Mario. They just need one game.
No. Before that, they
Oh
beat
yeah, oo
I
nga
mean,
pala.
Magnolia.
Para
before
naging
that, di ba,
ano,
yung
oo nga
final
pala yung
innings
regular
game?
season. Oo nga pala, yes.
Yeah.
Tama.
Yeah.
Yeah. And dude, ever since they've made those comments na hanggang attendance lang yung DLSU, brother, it's been downhill, downtrodden. We're going down
Mm.
all the way to hell, man. Like it just hasn't been going well for Magnolia since then. But going back sa TNT, they're just too strong. I know
Yeah.
Meralco's a good team, especially right now Chris Banquero looks healthy.
Yeah.
I Lost ni Banquero against Ross, man. Um, Absolutely dominated that fourth quarter with Chris Newsome. Ang ganda na nilalaro niya nun. But he looks really good right now, especially both face card wise and
He scored.
skill wise. He's looking good. So I will say na TNT definitely has the advantage, pero maybe Meralco can win too. I would say if we're gonna have to give predictions, I think TNT in six.
TNT in 6 ka. Okay. TNT in 6.
6.
Yeah.
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 Well,
Come on,
I
come
wanna
on.
make a case for I wanna make a case for Meralco, but it's just really hard. For everything that we can say about TNT, Meralco's probably beaten them twice or thrice in the playoffs, in the semis to send them home. So this is not your typical, sister team matchup na alam mo na ito talaga yung
Wala.
mag-a-advance,
Talagang
diba?
ano to.
But TNT, I don't think this is a sister team kind of scripted series na parang kasi mas malakas TNT. TNT dapat yung pumasok. But I'll side with them with wow. Okay, no Mario, not today. I'll side with TNT just because they really are on a roll. Ilan ba yung winning streak ng TNT? Is it Is it
Against
4 or
Ginebra
something like?
or or
Can we not hurt our feelings like
sorry. In a
you
row,
know
in a
for a
row.
reason. Yeah. My goodness, this
Yeah,
guy.
TNT
I
has
can
been
check. I can
winning.
Uh
check.
I don't. The last time they lost was against SMB ba to? This is December
okay.
5.
It's been a while. It's been a while. I can't keep track kung ilang sunod na yung panalo, but they're on a roll.
Yeah.
They just have too much. And if
They've won
Jordan
4
Heading
games
is
in a row,
healthy,
bro. They've won 4 games
Four?
in a row.
4?
Yeah, I think 4.
I thought 4 or 5. Okay. So they
Tama
lost
na naman yun.
against SB.
4 is close to 5.
Sabi mo,
4?
I thought 4 or 5. But you're like, 4 lang.
Kala mo
Bro,
it's
it feels
between
like-
10 and 4 eh, no? 4 lang. Kala ko
It feels
10.
like they have
5
more.
pala.
It feels like they have more, di ba?
Konti lang games sa
It feels
PBA. Alam mo naman yan. It's like 1 game, 2 games. So parang,
I think 4, but I'm pretty sure that it's 4 if I counted it correctly.
oh, let us know in the comments, guys. Yung mga TNT diehards yan.
But yeah, brother, if Jordan Heading is healthy, there's no way. I'm not gonna say there's no way, but it's going to be really difficult to stop TNT, especially if he played the way he did nung last game ng elims and even nung nung quarterfinals. I would say TNT in 6 then, just because of too much firepower.
Oh, a while ago you were
Excuse
like,
me.
wow, in 6? And then now you have the
He
same
also got
prediction.
TNT in 6.
What are we doing?
No. No, bro, kasi gusto ko yung TNT in 7 din. Kaso if I have them in the 7th game, then I'd probably go with Meralco na kasi parang sabihin na drag mo na yung TNT to the
Nadrag mo na
deep
sila,
waters.
Mm.
And then you have a new guy na hindi pala nakikita in a series named CJ Cancino. Although they know CJ Cancino very well already. Well, that means na parang okay ano na to anybody's ball game na to, and I tend to side with Meralco na. Pero if I think TNT will win, it will be in a shorter series. I mean, shorter 1 game shorter series in 6. If it's short, then it's definitely TNT. Like there's no way Meralco finishes TNT real quick.
Brother,
it's gonna be
Meralco. Tira may roster, di ba?
Who are we looking at? Roster ng TNT? You want me to go
TNT,
to
yung kanina.
TNT's roster? Sige.
Yung box score kanina
Medyo
na
kamukha
pinakita
pala
mo
ni
sa
Raymond
second tab.
Almazan si Medyo kamukha niya si
Jerry
Jerry
Roll.
Abadian.
Di naman. Mas payat na Jerry siguro. Mas if Jerry
Yeah.
lost weight.
See?
Curious
Look at
lang.
the
Face
roster,
card
bro.
on face card. Meralco or TNT?
Meralco, bro. Layo ng Meralco.
What?
Bro,
Oh,
I mean,
Bankero, man. Bankero is
Over this king of yours?
sa hot carry.
bro, dude, Kim Aulin looks
Don't give
Japanese
me a
there,
hard
by
time.
the way, dude.
Mukha siyang
Don't give me a hard
ano yun?
time.
Yakuza?
Yeah, dude, this guy looks Japanese as hell. That's good.
Yeah. Maybe on his way to
Graham's
the B-League.
nipples, bro. Graham's nipples are going crazy.
Don't do that to it's the first day of the year, brother. But look at the roster, man. Sino tatapon mo dyan, di ba? I mean,
I can
di
name
ba?
one.
Parang, yeah, I can too.
Actually,
but
meron naman ang
all I'm
matatapon
saying
na
is,
isa.
Meron
Sa
isa
gitna.
o dalawa. Pero, grabe yung roster na yan. And Poy Aram is healthy again. Remember in the elims when they played, it was down to the wire. It was a down to the wire game. There was no Poy Aram. Now, there's Poy Aram. But if there's a team that can contest against their front court, it's gonna be Meralco.
I would
Meralco
say
and
so
Pure
also.
Converge.
At huwag natin
Medyo
kalimutan,
masaya kasi yung
si Ray ng
men,
Batak. Finally healthy,
Yeah.
di ba? Last conference, wala yun.
Ang saya for me kasi parang maganda yung matchup ng front court or back court. I don't know which one's the front, which one's the back.
Front court.
Sabi
Front
nga.
court is the
Front
the
court
big
guards,
men, di ba?
Back court, hindi back court. So,
Oh, back
ang ganda
court.
ng matchup ng backcourt kasi it's like Nambatak versus Quinto,
Cancino nga
Heading
even
versus
Even Cancino.
Heading versus Cancino, Pogoy versus
Newsome, di ba?
Newsome. Yeah, meron ka pang Maliksi
Oftana.
versus Oftana, meron ka pang Bankero versus I don't know who else
Kay
can I throw out
Maureen,
there?
which
Tio
makes my...
Halalon.
Diba?
Bro, ang dami kasi medyo masaya siyang panoorin kasi alam mong
Bro, Aaron Black pa, di ba?
May Aaron Black
Yeah,
pa pala. Aaron Black's
Yeah,
also
bro,
healthy.
Black. Tapos yung sa bakbakan sa loob, hindi naman push over yung Meralco dun, men.
Yung Bates
They have
and
some
Almazan,
decent bodies.
Hodge.
Bates, Almazan, Hodge. Jansen Rios has showed some level of good minutes. Raymar Jose has showed some sense of ability also. I don't know if he's healthy.
Nainalugnaatan if in case of emergency.
I saw a
Blatter.
TikTok of Reynald Hognatan with his girlfriend, by the way.
Sobrang random.
Oh,
Super
oh.
random. Yung binilhan niya ng iPhone 17 Pro Max yung girlfriend niya, tapos di napansin ng girlfriend. Anyway, but yeah,
Oh.
man, ayun, it's not as far as people would think. Pero kasi, iba ang talent kumpara sa katawan. Alam mo yun? Like, yes, the bodies are there. Like, yes, they can match up. Pero talent-wise, I think lamang pa rin talaga ang TNT. Malayo, brother.
Pero sa'yo, feel yung
Um,
dalawa abot ng 6 or 7. Ako 7 eh.
6-7. Bro,
TNT
there's
and 7.
nothing. Don't
TNT and
surprise
7
us,
ka.
man.
Dude,
Pero I think there are
at
times, very
least
few
say
times,
something.
na sasabihin ko in 5 or 4. Siguro kung TNT, nalaman mo TNT and Lex Mario, I said TNT in 5, which is tumama naman kahit paano. Last
This guy
conference
TNT
tries
ata.
to
and
Lex, man. This
Realistic
guy's throwing
ako
shots at
pagdating sa
Lex.
ganun eh.
If they were in a series this conference, TNT in 2. Kahit best of 7 yun. Hanggang 2 lang.
Pinakwit na. So,
Oo.
nag-book na sila ng vacation daw.
Oh, yeah.
Okay na, okay na.
Oh, yeah.
Okay na,
Oh,
okay na.
yeah. Man,
Robert,
just send in my
rest
check.
up, Robert. Yeah.
Bro.
Robert, rest up, brother. You gotta
Yeah,
breathe.
brother, listen. If Cancino can be that CJ Cancino that we have been seeing, there's a better
Abot nga
chance.
sa 7.
Meralco, listen. I have this hat. It's a hard hat.
Oh,
What, the,
Right? It's a hard hat.
what in the props?
Just in case.
What
just in
in the
case you all
props?
win, man. Just in case you all win.
Wait lang, can I
Alright?
say, can I
have
just say,
this.
can somebody like take note of all the props Graham has used in our recordings? That would be nice, no? There's a thread lang sa Facebook group natin, ipipin ko. All the props Graham has
I have the
used.
crown
Where
too.
did you
Dami-
even get?
Ang dami siya
What's
props,
the
no?
hard hat even for?
Ano yun? Yung goat, yung
Bro,
crown. Madami siyang props, bro. Yung prophet props.
But the prophet, costume, the hard hat.
Graham spends more on props than we get paid.
I don't care, bro, brother. Listen, there's a Justin. If that's talking ahead, but if Justin Brownlee wins another title, there's a prop dedicated for it. It's been sitting for 3 months.
Oh, that's not gonna
already.
happen.
We know.
Oh, actually, walang RHJ. Wait, pero next time na yun. Next
Yeah.
time na yun. Next time na yun.
That's next time. But
again,
yeah, so
man,
far,
I think
Let's
TNT
finish
in
Meralco
6.
TNT.
I think man,
Bro.
in terms of X factors, may X factor ka dapat in each thing,
Yes.
bro. X factor talaga for me sa Meralco. I don't know if you can really consider him an X factor kasi
Sino ba?
superstar siya. Pero for me, it's Newsome talaga. Kasi Chris
Si
Newsome, if he
Nuno.
plays,
Okay.
bro, if he plays the same way he played in both games against Ross, he had 31 in the first one. Yung sa isa, ilan yun? Tambakan din yun eh.
Nico,
Get
scroll
14
to
here.
Scroll
So
to
parang
the right.
22 a game. 21. Which
Yeah,
one?
if he averages like
Scroll
that
to
and
the right,
defends,
makikita mo dyan yung
Is
TNT
that-
Meralco game. We were recording a UAAP game nung nangyayari yung laban when Nambatak hit a crazy
Yeah, I remember
shot.
that.
We
4
we
points.
talked
We were
about it
recording a
though.
UAAP episode. Oh, we were recording live and then we were also tuning into that game na
Si
it
Mario,
was I
halata
think a
nga na eh.
2-point game or a 4-point game in the end. If
Yeah,
that
yun
will
yung
mirror
Yung 4-pointer
yan,
niya,
di
na
ba?
ewan.
ni
Di, tas
Nambatak,
yun yung, parang may, yung foul call ba yun? Yung foul on Pogoy against Newsome, yun ba yun?
Oo, yun yung
May
offensive
sira
foul.
ata yung link. Good job, PBA.
Yeah, there's
Pinipindot ko na
good
to.
job PBA. Good job PBA.
I
Pupunta
tried
sa
pressing
Reyna.
that, by the way, also. I remember it also before.
Pumunta ka sa Rider siya, Barangay Nebra, mali na
We're
naman.
doing that.
Uy.
But
Baliktad
man,
po
I'm
yun.
just
Pogoy,
going off of roster. I'm just going off of roster and recent championship experience. And this is the thing, man. The MVP camp. There's one thing they want to aspire: a Grand Slam. If there's a team from their camp that's capable of doing that, it's the team of black, blue, and white
yellow.
and yellow.
Yellow.
Sometimes TNT. Yeah.
Black,
Right?
blue, yellow,
So,
white, green.
there's
Ako,
that.
X-Factor ko
Unless-
si Aaron Black. For me, it's Aaron. Since X-Factor naman, since we all knew Nunu is always gonna be there. Si Aaron, we would know na the past few conferences been injured, pero now he's looking healthy. In a long while, no? Nakita na he's really comfortable again driving. You can leave him on the floor kasi he's healthy na again after a long while. So for me,
And he
Aaron Black.
posts up yung maliliit na guard.
He does that nga.
Si Nambatak, popostehan niya yan. Pati si Heading, popostehan
Pero
niya.
kaya
ni
naman,
Aaron Black.
medyo kaya ni
Kaya
Aaron
ni
Black
Ray
to
yun.
defend
Kaya
siya.
ni Ray ni ano do, yung mga post-up
Medyo
ni
kaya, if there are guards who can defend well sa poste.
Sa
That's Black
poste.
Newsome and Banquero.
Yeah.
Yan yung kaya talagang dumepensa yung mga yun. But honestly,
No, what
I'll
I'm
be
saying,
honest.
man, what I'm saying is si Aaron yung poposte sa kanila.
Yeah, that's
Like,
what he meant.
popostihan niya
Si
Ah,
Black,
si
siya yung
Nambata at si
poposte.
Heading, di ba?
They
Hiling
can
ni Aaron
target
yeah,
Black
Jordan
yan eh.
Heading. Ta-target na si
he
Jordan
could
Tapos
Heading.
target
yung
Jordan Heading.
right-handed hook, yung right-handed hook na hindi mo inaasahan from Aaron Black, di ba?
Bro, di ba
That
kaliwete ito?
catches you by surprise.
Makalimutan ito.
So,
Makalimutan ito.
di ba?
Dude, another thing. I'm it's an ano for me. Like, I don't I think TNT wins this series, but just because I find CJ Cancino so funny, like medyo laugh trip siya as a
Sa
person,
Sockmed?
like yeah, as a Sockmed. I
Yeah.
hope that they win. I hope they win a few games, man. Because I would love to see more CJ Cancino on my Sockmed. He's fucking hilarious.
It's good for the PBA though. It's good for the PBA, mga ganong.
Yeah, yeah, dude.
They should really
Honestly, man,
capital eh.
Uh, th- I would say that this is the best turnout possible for the PBA in terms of um yung matchups for viewership. TNT, Ginebra SMB is gonna rake in tickets no matter what. And
Mhm.
TNT Meralco is not a pushover series either. It's a lot better than watching. I'm sure it sells out more than TNT Ross, and it would have sold out more
For
than.
sure.
Yeah. Or, well, to be fair, if Ginebra and Lex were in a semifinal series, may manonood ba nun? You know what I mean? Like, it's just really gonna
Yes.
be mostly like the 15 fans of NLEX, and then
14 na. Wala
Ginebra.
na ako dun.
Pala 14.
15 oh
14
yeah,
na
nga
lang.
pala.
14 na lang. 14 na.
Someone's departed. Bro, two things. Number one, you're right. No,
Departed the crazy.
it's an interesting series.
Departed.
And
Parang
to
namatay ako.
those people who are saying na with a crying voice na sila na naman, sister teams na naman. Well, the independent team should get better. Like Ross had the chance, Converge had the chance, right?
Yeah.
Now
had
they're
a
in
chance
Cancun. Oh, so it's
Converge
it's the
absolutely had a
teams
chance,
that's
dude.
yeah, right? I mean, even Ross had the twice to be the advantage.
Parang hindi
They
ata. Never.
did
Ross
not
never had a
capitalize.
chance. Parang Meralco was just
Yeah,
keeping
well,
them at bay.
you're right about that. So stop crying about these sister teams na nakakabot sa semis. Magaling sila di ba? I mean, Ross din naman nagpapalakas, Converge nagpapalakas. You'll get there sometime. Number two, if you are MVP, man, the last time TNT beat SMB in the finals was 2011. It's been 15 years. It's been 15 years. So would you rather send TNT or or Meralco, who just beat SMB 2 years ago? That's just something that popped off my mind, man.
Brother,
I mean, Meralco knows how to beat SMB. But that was with
truly
Coach
don't believe
George.
the MVP camp are willing to like set up na parang,
Risk.
I don't think they're willing to set up those games. Gets ko pa kung SMC kasi yun talaga medyo may history. We've seen the history of SMC. But sa MVP, I feel like they aren't as adamant on forcing one team into the finals and one team not.
Okay. Let's now discuss the Ginebra TNT in 6. Mario, ikaw, TNT in 6 ka din. Ako, TNT in 7. What's new? SMB versus Ginebra.
Hindi ako mababasa TNT pages yata.
I think tapos na yun. That ship has sailed. Nasa Magnolia ka na.
Alright. Sa Magnolia na ako. Okay. Alright.
Pero tapos na rin ata yun.
Here we go.
And, okay, SMB versus Ginebra. It's gonna be an interesting series. Of course, favoring San Miguel Beermen. Even though na alam kong diehard Ginebra fans ng dalawang to. In their heads, they know na the Beermen have the advantage over Ginebra, but their hearts say Ginebra in 7. But look at this lineup. It's still formidable as ever. Let's first start with SMB.
Brother, come on.
It's SMB.
What do you want us to say about SMB, bro? Look at that guy in the middle. Yung naglalaro na ML lang sa... Yung nag-ML lang
Yung nagti-TikTok live before a game.
Oo, walang pakayan sa ginagawa natin, man. Like, he does not care at all, bro. Jumars, gana. Oh, hey. Graham. Di ba idol mo yun?
This man closed his camera the moment we
Oh my God.
Bro, I told you so the whole day after the draft from Graham after Chris Miller was drafted. I'm just
Bro,
saying,
I'm
man.
not your opponent, man. I'm not your opponent. Okay.
Oh,
I'm,
whatever, brother. Oh,
This
yun
guy
lang yung
though.
gusto ko, number 33. Yung number 33. 33.
Darating
Oh,
na. Marami
yeah.
pala tayong gusto sa team na to, no?
Oh,
Every
yeah,
row may gusto
brother.
tayo, in every
Yeah.
row may gusto tayo.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, brother. By the way, Jeron Teng, you look, you're looking good in that picture over there, man.
He looks like a rookie, no? He looks like a rookie
Yeah.
fresh off LaSalle.
What?
Yeah,
That's not
bro,
Yuta
that's like
Watanabe? Oh,
exactly.
I thought that was Yuta Watanabe.
Exactly. Anyway, man, come on, dude. SMB is gonna bigs pa lang. What do you want Hinebra to do, man? Yeah, like like dude, hirap na yung Hinebra. Not super hirap. Japet had somewhat trouble against Balti and Arana, although I do believe he outplayed both of them in their series. Uh, but this is
Not
different, dude.
Balti. He did not outplay
Hey, man,
Balti.
I will. Who's here in the semis, brother? But man,
Okay, all right.
it's
Chris
dude.
Miller outplayed Robert Bolick, right? Who's in the semis?
To be fair, yeah, got me. Yeah, you're right. But anyway, like Junmar Fajardo is a completely different animal as
As
compared
always.
to Justin Arana and Justin Baltazar. Tapos ang bigat nung Jericho Cruz, tapos may Marshall Asiterga,
Dude, let's not forget this
tapos
guy. Si Dirty
may
2.0.
Don't Troll.
Trolliano, man.
Bro, yung Don
Celedonio
Trolliano kasi
Trolliano.
ang
Grabe
sakit
si Don.
kalaban ni Don. Ang sakit
Lason
kalaban ni Don,
siya.
bro, kasi yeah, yung Hinebra, yung weakness ng Hinebra, yung pagdepensa din sa tres na yan eh. Or the 3 or the 4 point line, they hate defending it. And Don Trolliano and Marshall Laster might have the time of their lives in this series with all the penetration and double teaming they'll have to do against SMB. Obviously, SMB should be favored in this matchup. If you don't if you don't favor SMB in this matchup, you're absolutely wrong. But we've seen it before. We've seen a Hinebra team beat SMB. Caveat dun is may Justin Brownlee ganun. But it's
Dito
just
wala.
tough, brother. Yeah, it's just tough naman talaga. And most people will agree na it's gonna be tough for Hinebra to win this series talaga.
What are the odds na we're
Yeah,
gonna see Chris Ross outplaying Wami Chongson again in terms of minutes? What are the odds? I feel like it's a
Heavy.
the
50-60%.
deeper the
Heavy
series
odds na
goes,
naman.
the deeper the series goes,
Feel ko
the
nga
higher
ganun
the
ulit eh.
minutes Chris Ross will
Ilalaro
get.
more Chris
Um,
Ross minutes again.
Bro,
Bro,
mas kamay ni Chris Ross kalaban si Tim Cone eh.
Hindi
Kasi
naglo-lolo
like
ulit oh. My God.
like
Kung ano pang
he
mga-
can he'll dissect yung defense ni Coach Tim in ways that are not possible by Huami yet. And yung alam mo yung mahirap dun kasi yung there's gonna be a game. There's gonna be one game where Don Trolliano is missing threes, where Wami is missing
Sure na.
threes, where Marshall's missing threes, where Chris Ross isn't hitting anything. And alam mo yung mangyayari doon? Chris Rosales is gonna come off the bench and hit us with
Bro,
5
yun
threes
nga.
in a row.
Yun yung sasabihin ko, bro, na there's a random Chris Rosales game in here where he
Yeah,
scores
exactly.
12
The Chris
points.
Rosales game. 15
There's a
points
Chris
in 10
Rosales
minutes.
game
Mga ganun,
coming,
di ba?
dude. Bro,
Bro, who killed us
always.
in Dubai? Who killed us in Dubai in that random
Exactly.
Chris
midnight
Ross
game?
nga
It was
pala.
Chris Rosales in the clutch.
Exactly. Dude,
Diba?
I'm telling you, like, the Chris Rosales is gonna have one game in this series that he will win it on his own for SMB, man. And
So say it, Mario. SMB in 5, say it.
huh? Okay, so with that
Say
in
it.
mind, diba? So me and Graham, right? We made this mistake last time where we were
Ano ba
told-
sinabi nyo last time?
Sabi kasi namin na we don't think Ginebra can win this series. Sabi namin nun, we don't think Ginebra can win this series against Converge. Kasi nga, ang bigatin nung Converge. And obviously, Graham will say it again, diba? Do you think Ginebra's gonna beat SMB in this series?
I mean,
Manalo.
if we use our minds, no.
Right? Yeah. If you use our minds, but Graham, what
He
do we
always
use?
uses
What do
his
we
heart.
use here?
You know,
The other head. He uses the other head.
we always use our hearts, man. We always use our hearts. So say it, Mario. Say it. What's your pick? After explaining every SMB strength, what's
Are
your
we
pick,
doing
man?
picks? Ginebra in 7.
Ginebra in 7 para di kami
In
makancel.
Ginebra in
brother,
7,
you
brother.
forgot one thing saying that. While saying your pick, you forgot one thing. Lotion, man. You forgot your lotion. You forgot your lotion.
My bad, my
Or,
bad.
or baby oil.
Brother, brother, I do not care what SMB is putting out there. I don't care if it's LeBron James that they're gonna be putting out there on the court, brother. I am never picking against Ginebra again. I'm taking Ginebra in 7, dude. I don't care. I know it's not gonna. I know it probably won't happen, but I'm taking Ginebra in 7.
Okay,
Right.
question for you, both of you.
I see an angle. I
Do
see an
we
angle. Go ahead, Nico.
do we see RJ Abarientos having the same kind of impact he had with
Bro.
Converge, or
Yeah.
malilimit ulit siya? Coach Leo will employ the same strategies that
Mario,
happened.
so I was about to go there.
Yeah,
I'm
sakto nga eh.
also picking
Kasi he
Ginebra
exploded
in
in
yeah.
Converge.
I'm
Converge game.
picking also Ginebra in 7 because of two things. Number one, I have seen the growth of RJ. Kasi in the past conferences in the playoffs, dun siya bumibitaw eh. 'Di ba? Especially against TNT and last conference against SMB, outside of the game na pinanood natin live where he went crazy in the semis. In the first couple of minutes of Game 7, talagang ang lamya ni RJ. He's not hitting his shots, he's not assisting, he's not defending as usual, of course. Pero in this series against Converge, I mean, he was the best player. In the
Best
two
player,
games
leading
against
scorer,
Converge.
looked very
He's their
comfortable.
best player.
Babad ni Coach Tim.
And the guards that he was going up against, hindi rin naman biro. Si Juan
Hindi
Gomez
nga biro.
Diliani was a
Tama
good
nga.
defender. Stockton is a good defender. Shawnee Winston, who Coach Delta forgot existed, also a good defender. Archie
Pala,
Concepcion
may
is a good
Winston pala
defender.
tayo.
Diba? JL De Los Santos, okay defender. So, you know, if he can be that guy again, and I said this after the Dubai game, let RJ have the ball. He has to be the offense for Ginebra. If you give him that Mark Kagiwa role na, okay, we'll set up offense for you. You have the ball. There's no bad shot that you'll take, although some of the shots that he takes really makes me scratch my head. Then, you know, you unlock that RJ. Kasi si Scotty, complementary player talaga siya di ba? Yun talaga yung role niya. Hindi siya yung sa kanya mo talaga bibigay yung bola. So, as long as we get that RJ, and man, this is a big key. Norbert Torres. If Norbert Torres can drag Junmar Fajardo out of the paint, if he can drag him out of the paint, then that's one less guy you have to worry about, because the next guy you have to escape is Rodney Brondial, and malaki yung gap pagdating sa defense between Junmar and Rodney Brondial. So if Norbert can be that guy again, because in game 2 he hit a couple of shots from the outside, 2 threes and 1 long 2. If he can make that, man, we have a chance against San Miguel. We are the underdogs, and ito yung masarap pag Ginebra kayo underdog kayo, unlike yung favorite ka and then matatalo kayo sa dulo. And you know, I see it. I see a path. It's a narrow path. But if we can have Norbert and RJ continue what they did in the quarters, then I think that can we can escape SMB. Barely. I'll also say in 7. Again, pag 7th game, nagre-rely ako sa crowd because I think it plays a role. Of the last conference.
It does. For sure, it really does. Iba talagang crowd factor talaga.
Nico, can you be the voice of reason and tell us the proper pick?
Yeah. SMB in 6, yun yung proper pick. SMB in 6, yun yung proper pick, no? Pero before we go there, no, I feel like
Mr. Game 7.
Mr. Game 7 chose a team in 6, bro.
Dito abot ng 7.
That means we're
all you need to know, guys.
That means we're not winning the series.
That's all you need to know.
Feel ko, let's give Ralph Koo the mandatory minutes, Mario, in the podcast. Feel ko si Ralph Koo will average more than 10 minutes.
For Lance Pinto?
What? Yeah, it says 7 seconds. It's really 7 seconds. Kasi 17 minutes to
yan yung pinasok siya bigla in favor of RJ. Yeah, I remember that possession.
Yeah. Feel ko si Ralph Koo will average more than 10-15 minutes a game kasi they have to bring up Brondial and Junmar out of the paint. So maybe Coach Tim might try experimenting early on. Feel ko si Ralph Koo may experiment games 1 to 3. If it doesn't work, feel ko 4 to 7 or 4 to 6, we might not see him at all. It depends how 1 to 3 works. Feel ko ganun mangyayari. 'Di ba? Sa early games mo yung start ka na mag-experiment na, okay, kaya ko ba ibabad si Ralph? So far, he played well
He has
in
to
the game
hit
against
shots.
Converge.
He has to hit his shots, Nico.
He has to hit his
Ralph
shots.
Koo, Troy Rosario, Maya Gray,
Maya Gray.
Norbert
Maya Gray, bro.
Torres. Yeah, those people need to hit their shots from the outside. Kailangan mo ilabas si Junmar eh. Kailangan
Yeah.
mailabas si Junmar sa paint because if he stays in there, because we don't have a defensive 3, then there's no way. First of all, Japet is not out rebounding Junmar. Not now, not ever, not in the future.
No Filipino player is
so-
out rebounding.
Yeah, you have to drag him outside. That's the only
Mm.
key. You have to make your shots.
Yep. Not wrong at
But
all,
for
bro.
SMB, man, I mean, yeah, what can you say? Para kang poporsyento lang. It's like prime
Poporsyento.
Eliza Valdez, di ba? Just bigay kay Junmar sa ilalim yan.
26
He'll
and 23.
either
My
score
God.
or create for his teammates. Look at that roster, man. Look at that roster. Defending champs for a reason. My only problem if it gets to game 7 Chris Ross, man.
Baka magano.
Hard to
Kung
beat.
umabot ng 7 games, feel ko Hinebra
Hard to
yan.
beat.
Kung umabot ng 7 na.
Okay.
You guys have the crowd.
Bro, sana lang
Brother.
sana lang wag blatant yung kagaya nung last conference, yung Ginebra will win, tapos tambakan yung susunod, tapos ganito ulit, di ba? Magsasawa
Umabot ba ng
talaga yung mga
7?
tao.
I don't remember na eh.
Umabot
na ba ng
7 last game, di ba? And then it was the Chris Ross game. Di ba?
Ay, oo.
After the
Chris
LA
Ross.
Tenorio game winner. After
Ah,
the
oo.
LA
That was a
Tenorio
wild
game,
series.
it was the
You
Chris
cannot
Ross
script that
game.
though. Hindi mo masiscript yung mga LA Tenor, yung mga
Bro,
ganun.
hindi.
Hindi mo
I
masiscript yun eh.
think no,
Talagang
yeah,
ano lang.
yung game 6 and 7 hindi talaga yun. Pero yung
Hindi
game 4
talaga.
Nico, nanood tayo sa MOA Arena when it was a
Sukatan.
20-point game.
Susukatan.
Kadiri talaga yun. Kadiri
Yung ba yung nasa
talaga
likod tayo
yung
ng
game
ring?
na yun.
Yung magkasama tayo?
Yes. Oo, yung
Wala si
tinawagan si
Mario
Anmisi
nun.
ng foul when he was
Oh, that was so
not
funny.
near the-
Anmis was so
No.
funny.
no, when he was not near the play. Kadiri
Nakaganon
yun,
siya.
brother. Sana hindi ganun. Just let them play. I mean, if we get swept because the SMC let us play, then so be it, man.
At
Rather
least we
see
got
it,
swept.
man.
At least we got swept trying.
Di ba? Versus yung talagang medyo adiri. But yeah, I mean, I'm sticking with my team. I never picked with my head. It's always with my heart and
Wala kang
Always
fortune
not
cookie.
ahead.
Wala kang fortune cookie.
the crown, man. What?
Wala kang fortune cookie.
Oh,
Wala kang
I
fortune cookie.
don't. I don't.
Hindi siya ready, Mario. Hindi siya ready.
the
Di
fortune-
ka nag,
the
di ka nag, tawag doon.
Heart over mind.
Panda
Heart over
Express.
mind.
Di ka nag,
No, I
di ka
did
nag
not.
Panda Express.
No, I did not.
Ah,
The
Ano ba?
fortune cookies, man, they will come out post game after every
So
game.
Sunday feel ko, hindi ako sure kung nasa ako Sunday. Pero kung wala ako, you guys should record. Sayang.
Yeah.
Randomize.
But yeah. I'm really hoping that we get the first game, Mario, just to give us a little bit more.
Just the first game.
breathing.
Just the next two to
We
five.
got the first game
Ano na-
last series. We got the first game last conference against SMB. The
Did we?
18-point comeback. We did. The Stephen Holt N1. And bro, I'm good at this. I'm
I won't
good at
doubt
remembering
Graham. I won't
names.
doubt Graham pagdating sa Hinebra. Pero doon lang. Pero I think other than Hinebra, time
We
to
got
doubt Graham. I doubt
We
that.
got game 1. Yeah, I hope we
Yeah,
get game 1. I know the SMB fans will say there's a lot of blazing. Yes, it is. I mean, the Dubai game was close. It was 83-81. We had a shot at the buzzer, diba? It was the Chris Rosales game.
I mean,
So it's a series.
I mean, shot at the buzzer, brother. That was a heave. That was
Yeah,
a
yun
heave
nga.
from
Diba? We had a shot at the buzzer to beat SMB. So yeah, we have a chance. We have a chance. I do believe it.
We have a chance. I would
Never
say
say
we have a better chance than NLEX did. I'll tell you that. But I obviously, man, I want Ginebra to
Oh,
win. but
here's what I'm gonna say. Here's what I'm gonna say, man. Before the semi start, whoever comes out of the SMB Ginebra series wins the championship. That's the real
Oh
finals.
my lordy!
That's the real finals.
Okay.
Well,
I can't believe.
Nico, am I right? Whoever wins the SMB Ginebra series wins the championship. That's the real finals.
if SMB gets out, sige,
Wow.
Brother?
It's 6 here.
I'm not
What makes you think na sasabihin ko? I just said, I'm gonna
not gonna do
contradict
it.
myself.
I'm not gonna Dude, this
Although,
will be
medyo
mad.
toss-up though. Kung SMB versus Meralco, baka bigay ko sa Meralco yung pero. Hindi, Meralco na ulit. Let's,
Bro-
What if it's
let's
Brother,
Ginebra
world
Meralco? What if it's Ginebra Meralco?
all Filipino.
is the mic
Yeah.
working? Hello? What if it's who? What if-
Although, Ginebra Meralco, anong alternate reality yan?
Brother, I believe there's a chance that one of them push in, but both? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. It's either gonna
Wow.
be I don't think both Hinebra and Meralco will win. Only one of them will win. If
Isa lang.
ever
Mario,
merong isa,
Do
it will only
you
be one.
do you realize na yan sinasabi mo? That means the only way we'll get to the finals is if we face TNT.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh wow, this
And-
guy
and-
wants to face TNT. This guy wants.
Dude, I didn't want to face SMB. I didn't want to face SMB,
Alright.
brother. Like,
Symbolic
I
lang may
just
gusto sa
don't-
SMB.
Brother, I just don't think it's I just don't think you really think there's a chance both Hinebra and Meralco advance?
Yes. Yes.
Give me a percentage. Give me a percentage.
One. One still
Come
ang
on, give me a
percentage.
percentage.
15.
Oh, okay, that's low. That's good naman.
Okay.
Yeah, he's realistic today.
Graham,
Good
Graham,
ranker
if
bench
you-
today, ah.
if both Hinebra and Meralco advance, I'll libre you a Jangnan, brother. I will
Oh, wow.
libre you one
Okay.
Jangnan, brother.
Take it to
I'm
the back.
telling you
man.
that. I'll do it for you right now. I'll libre you one Jangnan, cause brother. But if it doesn't happen,
Finals.
Yun yung finals mo. Somebody screenshot this.
Yep.
Finals
King
were,
versus
finals were.
Arc.
finals in Bora, finals in Arneta.
Phil Sports.
Alright. Yeah, I think it's I think it's TNT and Ginebra in the finals though, but I won't mind Meralco. Just like old times. Belt to ass. Call us Dada. Call us Daddy.
But just saying, man, we can't say this when the last time we met them, Meralco won. By the way, if you forgot. Hello, when they won
Ano,
the
all
championship.
Filipino.
Oo.
All
Yeah.
Filipino.
Come on,
Ay, all
we
Filipino.
can't say this, man.
Selected memory yan si Graham minsan, Mario. Pabayaan mo na. Pagbigyan mo na.
Random game yun, brother. Game 7 in
Random
Dasmariñas.
game, no?
I think it doesn't count. Does it count? Game 7, Dasmariñas, fam.
Bro, they won the championship that season, by the way. If I'm letting you know, if you forgot, man, there's one
Pero
team.
tayo,
That's
tayo
their-
pala nagre-record
that's
nun, Mario,
their,
no? Tayo pa lang yung super tutok nung
Yeah.
wala pa si Graham sa podcast. No?
I mean, I was to talk, but after Nebra got eliminated, I wasn't.
You
I
forgot
was
there was a
watching the
PBA.
game 6 versus SMB though, Meralco SMB. But yeah, that was their 2019 Toronto Raptors run, man.
Yeah, actually, that's the time. Di rin.
Everything
Because
fell in their.
KD,
Maybe.
no. KD got injured. SMB was complete. Junmar was there.
No,
And they beat
SMB
the-
was injured. You know, they
Who?
were handicapped.
Who?
Their coach was George Gallant.
Oh, man.
That was a
Actually,
handicap.
I'm a Coach
Okay.
Leo advocate.
Okay.
Galing mo, Graham, actually.
Okay,
Alright.
Graham now.
In my level.
He's on fire.
Beat
He's
by
on
the-
fire.
Okay, Graham now. I'll give you that
Alright.
one. I'll give you that one. That was a good one.
Pati yung mga nakikinig siguro, gaganon.
That's a good
Yeah.
one.
Nah,
Hey,
man.
man. You know,
That's just
even
what
in
I
those,
do every day, man.
even in those import conferences in that season, they were also handicapped, but not because of Coach George Gallant. It's because of
EJ
it's because of
Anosique.
EJ Anosique.
Ano, Graham, we were this close to having a collab with him, pero off the record ko na kwento yun.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, Wami Chongson would love to be here if not for one guy.
Oh, I can do that. Kung gusto nyo, dali lang yan.
Hey, man.
One guy's
Hey,
not
man.
gonna be here.
Eh, man, I'm gonna be sick on that recording. So,
Brother, just call me in a sick day already. Brother, if any Magnolia Hot Shot comes on the podcast, I know somebody here is sick.
Yeah,
So I think Graham will be down
I'll
if we
be
get
here.
Xavier or si
I'll
sino
be
ba? We have
here.
Javi.
Mark
Javi was
Baroka.
here. Javi was
What if we
here.
put in
Yeah,
Mark Baroka?
Bro, I don't hate Magnolia players. I hate the team.
Ah, well, that
You
makes
know?
sense. Well, Javi was here, so
I don't hate them.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Hindi ko sila, if I see them, I like them. I like them individually. Just don't.
Bro,
I just hate them. As
he
a team.
picks Pingris over Aguilar, actually.
Mm-hmm. right?
Yeah,
Which is a
yeah.
discussion for another day.
It's pang
Because one
off-season.
guy
Pang
here
off-season
obviously
yan.
had Japet over Pippen.
Mainit yan. Feel ko pag ano rin sa Facebook group yan, mainit yan.
Hey, yeah,
Yeah.
y'all, I'm just curious. We'll talk about this another time, but we won't say anything yet. But if you guys could let us know who you think is better, Mark
All
Pingris or
time,
Japet Akitari. All
Kung
time,
umabot kayo
all
sa dulo
time.
na to, sa
Comment.
part na to.
all
Comment
time
if you
both PBA and Gilas to, hindi lang PBA or Gilas lang ah. Like both.
Oh,
Like
that's because
as
it's
a
prime,
basketball
yeah.
player who's
Because when you're
better.
in Gilas, at least you're in your prime.
brother,
They
set
won't.
whatever goalposts you want to set. I don't care.
What do you mean whenever you're in
Pingris
Gilas, you're in your
to!
prime, Nico?
Pingris! Ah, sorry, si Japet nga
Mario,
pala hanggang ngayon, till hanggang running the wheels.
Mario, you're
Till the wheels
Mario.
fall off.
Brother,
Sorry. I forget.
brother, what do you mean?
Nico, I wasn't even talking about Japet. I was talking about Von Pesumal, man.
Eh, SEA Games naman yun. Hindi naman, SEA Games naman yun. Iba naman yun.
I wasn't even talking about Von. I was talking about Justin Chua. I don't know what you guys are talking
Oh,
about.
wow.
Man.
Gusto ko talaga yung team niya nag-offer. Please take Von.
Yeah,
Okay.
please take Von.
Ngayon ako
Not
nakita ng
Calvin,
gano'n. The
but
team is
Von.
forcing...
Not Calvin, but Von. Speaking of Gilas, by the way, Gabe Norwood, man. One last ride.
Congratulations on the career.
Phil-
Congrats. We'll get them.
Yeah,
Let's
fell
start getting in an
really
episode.
short.
We need the Gabe Norwood
Actually,
episode.
Gabe, yeah, Gabe's actually a friend. Of
We'll
course.
get an episode. Oh.
Yeah. It felt, I mean, it felt really, really short. Parang I watched him get drafted, man. I watched him get drafted. Coach pa nga tayo nakapag-draft sa kanya in 09 eh. I'm not
Well-coached.
sure. Yeah, I think it was still Coach.
Mario
Probably
was
Raynor
9.
siya na. Palit na sila ng pangalan.
Time na yun.
It was 09, di ba?
No, I'm guessing how old was Mario when that happened. So I guessing he must be 9 years old, 8.
Honestly,
8. He was 8.
But he's
more 2001.
wow, you're 8.
He was 8.
You're too young.
So
but man,
when Gabe was drafted, was it black and white or was it
2009?
the color of the television?
Yung medyo pinupupok mo pa yung TV para maayos yung signal. Di ba? Yung ginagawa
the
ko
three-point shot still doesn't. Bro, the 3-point shot still doesn't exist. That's why he never developed a 3-point shot. Sige. No, okay.
Oh damn!
Wait.
What is that?
Wait, man.
Just giving him credit. Weren't you just giving? What are we doing, man?
Naging roast session.
Man, the best perimeter defender, top 5 I should say. Top 5 na nakita ko talaga na. Sobrang, bro, hirap na hirap si Mark Caguioa kay Gabe Norwood. No joke, man. No joke. Every Ginebra Ross game that I watch, even si James Yap, I know maraming defenders si James Yap sa team na like Jaire Ibanez and Ryan Aranya. But Gabe Norwood, he's a special defender, man. If he had Jaden Lazo shooting, he would have been in the NBA.
He wouldn't be in the PBA. He wouldn't be in the PBA for sure.
Yeah, if he had Jaden Lazo shoot.
Sobrang lore to ah. Sobrang inside joke ka na to ah. Jaden Lazo range. God. The guy was
Am I
not
wrong?
even in the P.
Am I wrong though?
About Jared Bahay range. Fade away, corner 3.
Leave Jaden alone, okay? Coach Tab didn't use him properly. Leave him alone.
Am I wrong? I
Leave
could have
him
said Steph
alone,
Curry or
brother.
Marshall Lassiter, but Jaden Lazo.
Hey, Jaden, brother, if you're watching this, which I doubt you are, don't mind this bald man, dude. Don't mind him. Like,
But man,
he just
you
wished
have to
he
congratulate.
wished he's just wishing he could have the mustache you do, brother.
And
Don't
the hair,
worry about
and the
it.
height.
I can.
Don't worry about
I
it.
can. The height I can. But man, Gabe Norwood, it's an amazing career. Hall of Famer for sure. Do you have a Hall of Fame in the PBA? If we do, then he is definitely in.
We just I think si Asi nilagay ata
absolute
sa Hall of Fame
defender.
last year ata yun.
Zero
So,
hater, man. I can't know. I mean, I don't know a guy who hates Gabe Norwood.
Wala.
There's no reason to hate him.
Cola.
Si Scola.
Yeah, Luis Scola.
Si
Tsaka si
Nocioni.
Marna. By
Si
the way,
Andres Nocioni.
yeah. So, man, congratulations, Gabe, Mr.
We'll get Gabe in the
President.
pod. We'll
You
get
are,
him soon. Baka sa off-season
for
na, we'll
sure,
get
man.
Gabe.
Oh, yeah,
Hopefully.
why not?
We can get Gabe.
Let's go.
I can guarantee that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for listening. If umabot kayo ulit dito sa dulo, please join the Facebook group, 6Man Pod _benchmob. On behalf of Mario and Graham, Nico here. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like,
Happy
comment,
New Year,
subscribe
by
on
the way.
YouTube. Happy New Year!
New Year,
Yeah.
fellas.
For a better
And
2026,
Nico's-
boys. Sana mag 100k na tayo.
This is the finals.
Please.
We will. Happy New Year. This is the finals, man. Adios, amigos.
Okay, sure, Graham.